Hello students, today's class we are going to continue the exercise 4.4 of chapter Simple Equations. Question 2. Solve the following. The teacher tells the class that the highest marks obtained by a student in her class is twice the lowest marks plus 7. The highest score is 87. What is the lowest mark? Is the first part of question. In this question, in a classroom, for example, periodic assessment mark, okay, there will be a lowest and highest marks, isn't it? If we collect all the students marks, we will have lowest and highest marks. These two are having some relation. According to this question, the highest mark is equal to 2 times lowest mark plus 7. For example, a student has scored highest mark is 20. Lowest mark is 3. Okay. If we double the lowest mark, what you will get? If we double the lowest mark, it will be 6. So, to that we should add 14 plus 14. It will give highest marks 20. For example, I am telling. Okay. Similarly here, they are given the highest mark is 87. Okay, but the lowest mark how much we don't know. That one we should assume as L. Got it, children? Lowest mark we should assume as L. Twice the lowest mark, that is 2 times 2 into L, okay, plus 7 is equal to, we will get the highest mark. These two, this is equal to 87, highest mark. Understand? Yeah. Twice the lowest mark. If you add plus, we will get highest mark. Both are equal. Yeah. Using this equation, you should find the lowest mark. That is L value. According to question, equation is 2L plus 7 is equal to 87. Yes. L bring this side. Sorry. 7 you bring that side. It will become 87 minus 7 is equal to 80. 2L. That is L is equal to 80 by 2. Give 40. That is lowest mark is 40. Got it? Yeah. L is 40. Lowest mark is 40. Twice it. Double it. That is 40 into 2. What you will get? 80. You will get 87. That is the highest mark. We verified our answer also. Got it, children? Yes. Yeah, look at the solution. Here, see, in a classroom, right hand side picture showing in a classroom, teacher is comparing the marks, that is lowest and highest marks, and she is relating lowest mark with highest mark. After relating, we will get this equation. If you find the L value, you will get lowest mark in the class is 40 marks. Okay. Yeah, copy down the solution what I have explained. This is for reference. Okay. Yes. Second question, in a triangle, in an isosceles triangle, the base angles are equal. See, look at the figure. It is a triangle. Base angles are equal. So, they are unknown. We should take that to our x. The vertex angle is 40. What are the base angles of the triangle? Is the question. Understand? In a triangle, how many angles are there? 3 angles. Right? 2 are base angles. 1 is vertex angle. Got it? In this question they are given isosceles triangle base angles are equal. We know that in an isosceles triangle there are two equal angles. But this question base angles are equal. The vertex angle measure they are given. Using this vertex angle we should find these two unknown base angles. Got it? Yes. Yes, base angles, unknown base angles will take as B degree. B degree. It is vertex angle. They are only given 40 degree. So we know that sum of three angles of triangle is 180 degree. So first angle B degree, that is base angle. Second base angle also B degree plus vertex angle, third angle is 40 degree, is equal to 180 degree. Understand? Yes, we should know this angle sum property of triangle. Yeah, last year we learned, no, in triangle the sum of three angle of triangle is 180 degree. These three are the three angles measures. In that these two are base angle, their measures unknown, but they are equal. Got it, children? Now how many B are here? 1B and another 1B. 1 plus 1, 2B. 2B plus 40 is equal to 180 degree. Yeah, how we got this 2B? 1B plus 1B is equal to 2B plus 40 equal to 180 degree. Got it? Yeah, till this copy down. We are having till now two. Yeah, till now we are having 2B plus 40 is equal to 180. Okay. 40 you bring this side. It is in addition left hand side. When we bring to right hand side, it will become subtraction. Minus 40. 180 minus 40 is 140. Isn't it? Put degree. These are angle measures. Therefore, B equal to 140 by 2. 2 1 time, 2 in 14 7 time, in 0 0 time, 70 degree. B value is equal to 70 degree. Two base angles measures, each is 70 degree. Yeah, 70 plus 70, 140. 140 plus that vertex angle, will get the angle sum is 180 degree. Understand, children? Yes. Copy down. Copy down this solution. This is for reference. If you want this solution, you can write directly the explanation I did. Okay. Yeah. Remaining two problems will continue in the next class. Thank you.